Hey, hello. My name is David Osamoje. I did it. You can do it. Let's make this money together. So, if you're just joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I have about 58 episodes up already. Yeah, I just tried recording a video now and it flopped. There was no audio. So, I'm trying to record it again for you guys. So, if you're just joining me, make sure you check my channel for more videos you can watch. I have a lot of videos up already, so you can just go through it after this video and watch. For my new subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. I really want to say thank you. Mystique, thank you. David J Palmer, thank you. Ali, thank you. Sweet Me, thank you. Just want to appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. So without wasting much of your time, I always give shout out to my new subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe already. So let's get straight right to it. So we open Canva. So we are using Canva for this. So we'll come to create a design. Custom dimension, the standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. As you can see, pixel. Create new is going to open a new tab, as you can see here. So the first thing you want to do is to start your design before you bring in your elements. So I'll go to you bring in your elements. I'll use this, as you can see. I'll reduce it a bit. So to increase and reduce, you just over your mouse to this edge, your left mouse click button, drag down to increase, drag inwards to reduce. Then to do that to the left, same thing, inwards to reduce, outwards to increase. So now I just have that. I want that in the middle. So I'll change the color of this. To blue. Change it to blue. Then I will over my mouse to this edge, click on my Alt key button, my left mouse click button, and drag downwards to duplicate. So we duplicated that. Now I'll change this color. To let me find the color. Let me just find the color. Okay, can use this. So now we'll just try and move this down a bit. Same with this. So now we'll bring in our element. Is this dove. So we'll just bring this dove into the design. You can see it's quite big. So it's gonna say fit. So we just write fit. So we have to find our text. So we'll go to text and just find a good font. Let me use this first one. So increase this over my mouse to this edge and left click, drag outwards. As you can see, it's quite big first, and it starts on other layers, our own group. Click outside, delete this. So I'm left with this. So I'll just highlight that, Control A. I'll Control A to highlight that, and I'll just do fit. So you can see I'll do fit. I'll make it bigger a bit, and I'll just position this in the middle, increase it a bit. So now I'll just change the color of this. Just change the color to white. You can see white. So now just reduce it and see if it makes it better. It makes it better, so just move it. You can see we have it done. So the next step will be to download this. If you stick around, I'll show you where to get this design and how to remove the white background. So let's just first save it. You can't do that here because this is a free version of Canva Pro. You click on download. So just wait for it to download, and when it's done downloading, then we can process the next step. So let's confirm that we have it downloaded. Open. Okay, this with it, we have it here. We have it here. Before people go around saying things, this is a before and after picture. This was a graphic design work I was working on for someone, so it's nothing crazy. Before you guys go around saying things, nothing crazy. Let's focus on why we are here. This was the first design I did anyway. This was the first design I did before things got out of hand. I could not hear myself, there was no audio, so I had to do this second one. Which you are seeing now. So we'll just work with this. So to remove the background, I'll just right click, open with Photoshop. Open with Photoshop. So now once we are done opening with Photoshop, we'll do one other thing. Over our mouse and create to this layer, create another new layer. Over our mouse to the design layer, which is layer 0. You come to the magic word tool, click on a magic word tool, click on the white background and just delete the white background. Delete the white background. You can do that. You do that for the letters too, so that when you post it on a white shirt, it appears white. When you post on a black shirt, it appears black. When you post on a red shirt, it appears in that color. Whatever color the shirt is on, it appears in that color. Don't know if you get me, but I'm sure you will by the time you see it. So now that we are done with that, we'll save it. Save as fit. Now go to pictures. Save as fit. Save as fit. PNG. Smooth, yes, okay. So you can see it didn't take us much time, just about 7 minutes. So to get this design, all you have to do is to go to a site called Flat Icons. Let me open it and show you the design, so that you can always make sure you give credit. So you search for Dove. We'll wait for it to open. I'll show you the one I used. Let's wait for it to open. So just scroll. Should be somewhere. Yeah, this is it. So you can see maker is Flat Icon. They are the owner of this, so make sure you give them credit. They are the owner of this website, so make sure you always give credit when you use their design. It's just a simple credit. If you know you're not paying for it, always give credit. That's all you have to do. So now let's go back to our design. As you can see, we are just 9 minutes in to our design. Now we'll transfer this to our shirt. To do that, it's super easy. We'll just come to pictures, mockup, our hanger mockup. We'll open that up. We'll come to your design here, double tap, delete this design, and now we'll come in and bring in our new design, which is fit. This is it. So we'll just bring it in. Just bring it in, as you can see. So we just reduce it because it's quite big. Just reduce it. Press enter. Save it. You save. we go back, we should have it. As you can see, it says save, but I don't want it on a black shirt, so I'll prefer it on a white shirt. As you can see, so we'll have it. All we have to do now is to save. Now you can use it on Instagram, on Pinterest. Just find an influencer or the Christian faith influencers, and they will help you promote this. You can make yourselves, but make sure before you do that, you've already uploaded it on Redbubble, your Teespring, TeePublic, Match by Amazon. That's where you make the money. So make sure you upload it from there. Then you send them the link and this image, and they will work on it. They will post it to their followers, and you pay them some sum, and you make your money. It's as simple as that. So just save this as Faithful. Save it as PNG. Just save it. Press OK. Okay, it's saving. Now we'll go back to make sure we've saved that. You can see this is it. So that's it. That's our design. So if you want to watch more and you enjoyed this video, you want to watch more, don't mind the fact my voice is low. Today is my birthday, if you don't know, and I'm kind of tired and weak, so on all. Just click to your right, you see the playlist, and you can watch and enjoy more videos from me. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. See you on tomorrow's video. Have a nice day. Bye.